What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Hammer Dance YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about something that we talked about a year ago, and you guys really liked the video, and I feel like I want to revamp it. I'm a little bit smarter when it comes to this stuff now, and I know a little bit more, so I can help you even more. And I'm getting a lot of good feedback from that video still to this day. Tons of views on it, tons of comments, people asking me questions. So this is basically a revamped version of that video. I want to talk to you guys today about how to grow on Twitch in 2021. Before we jump into this though, guys, I want to give a shout out and thank you to the sponsor for today's video, Own.tv. Own.tv is the place to go, guys, if you're looking for some fresh new graphics for your stream. Whether you're on Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook gaming, you'll find something that's a perfect fit for your channel. They offer full themed overlay packages, which are great if you're trying to give your stream a complete makeover, but let's say you're just looking to pick up some new alert graphics. Don't worry, because they've got you covered there too. You could find single graphics such as alerts, banners, panels, and logos as well. And one of the best parts about most of these overlays is that they are completely modular. So if you and your friends all pick up the same overlay, such as this Rodan one right here, you can change the colors and tweak it to match your brand, and none of you will have the exact same overlay. If you guys are looking to take your stream to the next level, be sure to check out Own.tv using my link below to support the channel. So really, the first thing you guys need to know is that it's going to be extremely hard to grow on Twitch in 2021. If what you're doing is deciding that you want to stream, and that's cool, everyone wants to be a streamer, I get it, like it's a lot of fun, but it does require a lot of work outside of just streaming. It actually requires more work outside of Twitch and outside of being live to grow than it does when you're actually live. And what I mean by that is you need to put in work outside of those streaming hours, outside of those hours where you are live, to start growing your brand, growing some kind of a following. And then what you're going to do is you're going to, take that traffic and disperse it, traffic it towards your Twitch channel. That's how you're going to grow on Twitch, because the reality of it is there are so many streamers on Twitch right now in 2021. Everyone decided they wanted to be a streamer or a YouTuber, whatever that may be, and there's no discoverability on Twitch itself. So you're not going to be able to just jump on Twitch, go live, and start streaming. It's just impossible. So that's not going to be how it goes for you. So your goal, and what I really want you to take away from this video, is that you need to think about how to create some kind of entertaining or educational content somewhere else. My top two suggestions would be to utilize either YouTube or TikTok, or both. YouTube is a little bit more of a long form content, like what I do. I have talks with you guys, I do product reviews, anywhere from like 8 to 15 minute long videos, tutorials, stuff like that. TikTok is a little bit quicker. You do like either 15-second to 60-second videos. You can either make them educational or comical, whatever that may be. But that is my first piece of advice. And I've told you guys this in the past, and I'm sure other people are telling you too. You have to create content elsewhere on another platform that actually has discoverability, like YouTube or TikTok. Grow your audience on there, and then funnel your audience to your Twitch so that they can hang out with you when you're live. The next piece of advice that I want to give you guys is to not get discouraged if it takes a long time. I was streaming on Twitch for like 5 years, and I really didn't have much of a following at all. And then about, I would say almost a year ago at this point, I started really hitting YouTube hard. I started really getting into it, doing tech review videos, and like I know a lot about audio and microphones and OBS. So I was like, I'm going to take this knowledge and give it to everyone else. And that started to grow me a fan base. We just passed 17K subscribers. Thank you very much, everybody. I really appreciate that. And in doing that, I started to grow a fan base, and I can just show you guys. I will, take some screenshots and put them in this video of just my Twitch analytics. I actually went through a phase where I was moving. I did a bunch of stuff, so I wasn't able to be live for the past few months. I'm going to be going live again starting very shortly, but I just want to give you guys an idea of how I'm growing on Twitch, and I haven't been live in 3 months. My analytics are still all positive. I'm still gaining follows every single day, and that's because my YouTube is live all the time. And when I say live, I don't mean I'm live on YouTube, but my videos are content that's just living. It's evergreen content. It just stays there. People are watching my videos every day, and I'm growing on Twitch because of that. That is crazy, and it's the way that you can really help yourself get a boost and get a nice growth spurt on Twitch. Don't get discouraged though. That's my next piece of advice that I wanted to tell you, is don't get discouraged, because it can take a long time, and that's okay. It eventually will stick. You're gonna go through a ton of videos and figure out what it is that like you are good at, what it is that people like to see from you. Like if you're entertaining, or you're funny, or you're really smart about something, like you have something that you can give back to the world, and people will see that. And once you find your niche, you'll start to grow. Another piece of advice here is, once you do start growing, keep a consistent schedule. People will not watch you if they can't watch you, because they don't know when you're live. When you watch a TV show, it's at 8 p.m. every Friday a new episode airs. If you didn't know when the new episode was coming out, you'd never see it. It's very important to keep a consistent schedule because of that reason. If people know when you're going to be live, they're going to be there, they're going to support you, they're going to watch you, and it's going to be a good time. Talk to your viewers, even if there are none there. This is so important, because if you click into a stream and the person is just sitting there silent playing Minecraft, it's pretty boring. So if you're just talking, maybe sit on Discord with your friends, talk to your friends, make it entertaining, make it fun. And then when someone jumps into your stream, they're gonna feel like they want to join the conversation, and they're more enticed to talk in your chat and try and converse with you. So just talk, don't sit there silent. It's really important to just not sit there silent. Play games that are fun to you. It doesn't matter what game you're playing. No game is gonna get you more viewers than another game, just because it's extremely saturated in this day and age. So doing that used to work, but at this point in time, not so much anymore. Just play whatever you want that's fun to you. Do whatever you want. If you like cooking, do like a just chatting cooking show. Anything you want that you think is going to be fun, that you enjoy doing, that can provide some entertainment or maybe education to your viewers, do that. Next solid piece of advice I want to give you guys is learn. Learn as many skills as you possibly can. Learn everything you can about OBS, because that's your live streaming program. Learn how to record videos in good quality. I have tons of them here on this channel if you guys want to check them out. Learn how to edit videos with Adobe or Vegas or whatever you want to use. These are extremely valuable skills that will further your career in content creation if that's what you want to do. Learn a good bit about audio, how to set up your microphone, how to EQ it, how to add effects to it to make it sound top notch. That is extremely important, and the number one thing you can do here when it comes to learning is learn from other creators. Any creators that you idolize, that you like to watch what they do, watch how they sound, watch how their videos look. And there's nothing wrong with trying to mimic that, that style that they've created. You obviously want to be unique and use your own style. I'm not saying go copy somebody, but if you have someone you idolize, that you like their content, you watch their stuff, there's nothing wrong with basing your brand on how they do things. All it's doing is giving you a nice bar that you're setting for yourself to live up to a higher expectation for your own content, and I think that's very good. And the last bit of advice that I want to give you guys is to have fun with this. There's no guarantees, but if you put the work in and you work hard at this, I can guarantee you that you will see some sort of success. You will see some sort of growth. It does take a lot of work. Just know that being a streamer and being a YouTuber is not just sitting down and just making videos in 5 minutes or playing games for 3 hours and then you just get this massive following. That's just not how it works. There's a lot of hard work that goes into it. Every video that I make for you guys here, I write an entire script. I write a whole script that I glance at during recording. I cut it, I stop recording, I read the next part, and then I think about how I want to say it to you guys. There's a lot of work that goes into this. So it's not an easy task, but it is definitely something that you can train yourself to be good at, and you just get better with it over time. You start to learn what to say, what not to say, what people like, what people don't like, but just don't get discouraged, don't give up. If it's something you want to do, you definitely can achieve it. It doesn't happen overnight. It will take some time, unless you get lucky and just go viral in one day, but the chances of that happening are very slim. But just work hard at it. All I can tell you guys is work hard at it. Make yourself a schedule, stay consistent, stay persistent, and don't get discouraged. That's all I've got for you today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. That lets me know that you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. But that's it, guys. I want you to keep those hammers up, and I'll see you next time.